What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Magic Design in Canva. So log in or sign up to your Canva, and after that you will be redirected to the homepage of Canva, wherein you need to click on create on the left side, and you need to decide what you need to create, like an Instagram story, Instagram post, mobile video, story, Instagram reel, a Google or Microsoft sheet, a video, a resume, a presentation, or a poster. Let's say I want to create an Instagram post for a car. I'll click on Instagram post, and the magic design feature will be accessed from here. On the left side at the top, you can see the design icon. Click on this, and after that in the search bar, type in car websites. When you hit enter, this will show you all the different types of website templates for car websites. Let's say I like this first one. I'll just click on it, and then as you can see, the template has been loaded to my editor section. Now from here I can edit it, and I can just move the text by just backspacing it, and I can add my own text. This is my own text, and when I'm done, I'll just simply click on the outside, and as you can see, my text has been added. Like this, you can change the text, and you can also change the size of the template, and you can even lock it, and you can even duplicate and add some more pages. So this is how you can use the magic design tool in Canva, and you can edit your template according to your wish and requirements. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.